To add a video frame, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly change my background color. I like to leave my background color in black, and I'll go over to elements here, and I'll come down to frames. I'll scroll to find a frame I like. I sort of like this torn paper-ish frame, and I'm going to bring it in like this, and I will spread it out to fill in my whole page. I'm going to pull it in to cover a bit, and I'm going to duplicate this page twice. I will take this one to this place, and I'm going to select all the three frames, and I will go over to position to space them evenly horizontally. You see there's a whole lot of space. So what I'm going to still do again, I'm going to pull back all of them into the center and spread it out sort of a bit. Click out, click on the first one, align to the left, click on this one, align to the right. You see this way it has covered. Let's do some justice to it. Let's place evenly horizontally. You see this way it has fully covered, and it's aligned to the top, the middle, and the bottom, so everything is properly aligned. If we group this frame, you can see that they are properly aligned. If you can, you see everything is properly aligned from this place. So I'm going to close this. So this is more like what I'm going for. I'll go over to elements and come to videos. I'm just going to pull in videos. I will go over to trending videos, and I want to find videos. This is just a demo. If you have your own video, you can start bringing it into this place. Let me view this collection. You can see that this video is a collection. So I'll start bringing in my videos. I'm going to bring this one in and position it here. And I'm going to bring this one in, and I'm going to make it select so that it selects my frame. Once it enters the frame, I'm going to double tap and make sure it's positioned correctly. And let me do the same for this one too. Double tap and bring it down. You can as well use horizontal videos if you're using a portrait frame. And you can now bring this into this place. That way, if you preview this, you can see things happening in the video.